Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about using emojis and Telegram marketing. Let's get started. Telegram messages can be sent to your contacts by adding emojis, stickers, or GIFs so that you can add graphics, stickers, and animations to interpret your message. Emojis on Telegram are bigger and they have better animations compared to other messaging apps, making it more fun to use emojis on chats. First, you can shorten your messages using emojis. You can reply on conversations using emojis or add them to your messages. Emojis can say more, and you can use fewer words to convey your message. Now let's start adding emojis. Choose a chat message, then tap on the emoji icon, and you will see options to add emojis, stickers, or GIFs. Under emoji, you can choose an expression that supports your message. If you're implying a positive reaction, you can choose a happy or grinning emoji, and Telegram will suggest stickers that are similar to your chosen emoji. So you can browse for similar reactions in this pop-up window. It even shows a preview of how the animation will look like. Next, use emoji to convey tone. Sometimes, plain text can leave a space for misinterpretation. Emojis can provide a big role in providing an important part of sending a nonverbal communication similar to our body language when conversing with another person. So your recipient will understand the tone of your message using emojis and avoid misinterpretation. Next, reach anyone using emojis. On your Telegram channel, you can create content and your subscribers will be able to see it. Adding emojis in the content that you share in your channel can help you connect better with your subscribers. Everyone will understand the reactions of emojis and stickers that you will include in your content. Even if your subscribers cannot send messages to your channel, they will still appreciate the emojis or stickers that you add in your content, as it can add more meaning to your content. Next, emojis can send a strong message. When sending plain text as chat messages to your contacts, the recipient will not see your expression and how you say it. It can be perceived differently when talking to a person. You can express the emotion of your message using animations of expressions. Telegram's emojis allow you to express your messages clearly. Emojis can support the message that you want to send to your recipients. Next, emojis can boost engagement. It can communicate your message and show the emotions that plain text cannot convey. Asking questions and including emojis will allow you to get more interactions in your messages. If you have a group, you can use polls. You can ask open-ended questions and use choices as emojis. You can ask them to respond using emojis, and you can generate more engagement and expect people to send creative responses. More people will join in the conversation and share their votes using interactive emojis. Take note that you must use emojis in Telegram if it's relevant to your message. Never use it as you feel like using any emoji. You have to make sure that the emojis that you will add to your messages will help convey your message to your recipients. Doing this will allow people to relate to what you want to say. Be careful not to use too many emojis. Emojis are fun to use, but it is not a good practice to overdo emojis in your marketing. It is okay to overdo it when you're talking to your friends, but when using emojis on your marketing promotions or when talking to clients or customers, you must use less. If you need to get unlimited leads with quality buyer traffic from YouTube ads, we have a marketing app that can help you get high-quality buyer traffic from YouTube using TubeTarget. Get quality traffic from YouTube for less than a fraction of Facebook. Master the secret tricks to a powerful, cutting-edge YouTube ad marketing video training that shows you everything you need to do. You can target buyers with precision, get your targeting 100% precise, and spot on for the highest quality and best converting traffic. Get rapid results. Put TubeTarget to practice to get measurable results right from the first day. TubeTarget is a powerful YouTube targeting SaaS with marketing training. Find monetized channels that will give you the best results for your niche. Get high-quality clicks and grab fresh leads. Get a flood of buyers with TubeTarget. Step 1. Find hundreds of monetized videos and channels for your niche. Step 2. Import your CSV into Google Ads and run your ads. Step 3. Watch the clicks non-stop. So try TubeTarget now. Go to gettubetarget.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.